In this tutorial, I'm showing you how to create a bokeh effect with colored pencils. Hi, my name is Agata. I'm an illustrator and colorist. I started to color the tiny illustrations on my Christmas calendar, and I thought how nice it would be to add the bokeh background. I experimented with creating a bokeh effect in the past, but there is always room for improvement, right? So, I searched on Pinterest some images with bokeh background and I analyzed them. We have some circles. They mostly have the same size. Some circles are overlapping each other, and the overlapped area is brighter than the circles. I can also notice that the circles can be white or colorful, but brighter than their background. The color around the circle or circles is not a solid color, but a gradient. That can be the same color from dark to bright, or a color gradient where one color fades into another. Now that we have some guidelines, let's draw our own background. I start by lightly drawing the circles. Use a color that will be dominant in your background. Start building up some light layers around the circles by fading it out towards the edges. So you leave some room for another color or to simply create the dark to light gradient. Add some more color by layering. You can add some more circles even over an already colored area. Color around that circle with a darker shade. Make sure that the circle stays brighter than the background. Pick some lighter colors that match your palette and lightly color over the circles by creating a gradient. Layer, layer, refine, and done. If you choose to, you can add some bright highlights with a white gel pen for a more magical look. If you want to see the full real-time video creating this bokeh background, click on the tag in the upper right corner or find the link in the description. If you try creating your own bokeh background, I would love to see it. Tag AgathaPop on Instagram. Also, let me know your thoughts in the comments below. See you soon. Until then, happy coloring!